Hello and welcome to proCode. In this video, we are going to learn about dictionaries and sets. So let's get started with the video. First of all, what is dictionary? A dictionary is a collection of keys and values pairs. So the syntax of dictionary is like a dictionary is written in and here we write a key. This is a key and we give values to key. So this is the syntax of a dictionary, and if I print a you can see that the dictionary is printed. If I print the key, you will see that its value is printed. If I give more values over here, if I type in marks, accordance to marks, if I type in 93, then capital Delhi. So this is a dictionary with some values more than one. So if I type in here capital, what it will print is New Delhi, is Delhi. If I type in marks, so it will type in 93. So you can try it out by yourself. So there are some properties of Python dictionary. The first property is it is unordered. So if I type, the order in this dictionary doesn't matter at all. A dictionary is not is unordered. So it is mutable and it is indexed, cannot contain duplicate keys. So if I type in key, and so keys cannot be duplicated but values can be duplicated. So if I type in double M key, you can see that an error has been shown. So at this you can try it out by yourself. We also have dictionary methods too. So the first method is called item method. So a dot item, items. So this returns a list of keys and values tuples. So let me comment it out first, and then if I print this, not this but a dot items, then print a. So you can see that a tuple in accordance to this dictionary is been printed. So the second one is called update method. the second one, sorry, update method. So if I have forgotten something, a value to type in here, so I can do that by this method. If I want to add in like another value called channel proCode, now you can see that a new value is been added. If you want to learn about more methods, you can check out Python docs. The link is given in the description. You can go you can check that out. So now we will learn about sets in Python. A set is a collection of non-relative elements. If I type in S is equal to set and then I type in S dot add, like if I type in 8 or I type in 1, so what it will do, and then eventually print S. For now I am going to just comment this out, sorry, I'm just going to comment this out. So now if I print this, you can see that 1 is being printed over here. And so if I type in s dot add 2, then it will also print 1 and 2. So sets are there are some properties of sets too. Sets are unordered, like dictionary. So and sets are unindexed too. There is no way to change items in sets. So if I want to change set item without changing these codes, so I cannot do that. So sets cannot contain duplicate values. So it cannot contain, like if I type in s dot add 1 more time, it will not print 1 for 2 times. It will only print 1 for 1 time. No, there is no duplication in. You cannot duplicate the same values again and again. So now we can do some operations on sets too. So I will now what I will do is I will take an example of a set. S is equal to S is equal to 1, then 8, 2 and 3. 8, 2 and 3. Now the first method, the first operation is called len. Len method. If I type in len s, so the len will return the length of this this particular set. So in this case we have 4 values in our set, so it will return it will print S. Let me just print it. Yes, so we have a value of 4 over here. The second one is remove. So we type in like this, remove. So if I want to remove any value from this set, so I can type in this method is for that purpose only. If I want to remove 8 from here, so what I will do is I will type in 8 from here, and then I also have to print it too. You can see that 1, 2 and 3 is only printed, not the 8. So this is the remove method. So the next method is called clear. So if I type in s.clear, so it empties the set S. So if this method will remove all the values from this set. You can see this set is empty. Then the next one so this is it for today, and I will see you in my later videos. Thanks for watching.
Look at the future.